this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $30 every 10 minutes and up to $180 per hour. And for this method, you're going to be using Google Translate. I just want to start off this video saying that this method is not one of those transcribed methods or one of those that you have to write a blog post method. This is a different method. It's a different way of making money. And with this method, you can actually make around $25 to $30 every 10 minutes. You don't get paid per hour, you get paid every 10 minutes. So 1 hour has 6 times 10 minutes. So let's do $30 times 6. That's $180 that you could potentially be making using this method. So most people that use this method, they actually do it for around 4 to 5 hours every single day. So let's do the math on that. If you use this website for about 5 hours every single day, then you're going to be making around $900 a day, which is not bad. Now, before we start the video, I'd like to mention that this is completely free. Anyone can do it. All you have to have is a PayPal account. And if you'd like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel because I post 24 videos every single week with different money-making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed, I could post a video tomorrow or next week, and that could have been the video that could have changed the game for you forever. So now that you've subscribed to the channel and maxed out your chances to make money online, let's get started. So right now, I'm here in the Google Translate website, which is the website that you want to be heading up to. All you have to do to get to this website, which I know most of you guys might already know, is you go into Google and you type Translate. And then when you do that, it's going to pop up this window here. And all you have to do to go into the full website is just click Google Translate here down in the bottom. It's going to open the full website for you to browse. So once you're in the Google Translate website, all you have to do to translate something, if you don't know how to use it, you choose the language that you want to be translating to the language that you want it to be translated to. So let's say I wanted to translate English to Spanish. Hello. I type in hello, it's going to translate it into Spanish. Hola. So pretty straightforward. So now that you know how to translate things really easy, straightforward, all you have to do now, we're going to head off to CPA Grip, which is a website that I love. And I really like this website because it's really easy to use it to make money. All you have to do is copy your affiliate link from some of the actions that it's going to give to you inside the website. And whenever someone does something like click a link or put in an email, you're going to be earning money from that. So it's really easy to make money using this website. And it's, basically anyone around the world can use it because it uses PayPal to pay people. So I think PayPal works all over the globe. So if you're able to get a PayPal account, then you're able to use this website. Now, all you have to do to register for it is you click register. I'm already registered to the website, so it already took me to the dashboard. But all you have to do to register for this website is you need an email address. You need your name. I think you need a phone number. I'm not really sure, but it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I think it's a username, password, and a phone number. That's it. And there is another video of mine that I show you guys how you can register for CPA Grip. And if I'm not mistaken, it was the video that I speak about YouTube Shorts. So if you want to know how to register for this website, if you want to see a step-by-step of me doing it, just go check out that video at the end of this one. So one of the things that you're going to be able to see as soon as you log into this website is it's going to show you all the people that are making money using it. Right? As you can see here, this guy made $30,000, $727 with 15,000 leads. So this guy is earning top dollar doing this. This one earned $228. This one earned $36, $383, $550, $1,799. So there's lots of people using this site to make money, right? And I can tell you from personal experience, I know people that are making like hundreds of thousands of dollars using this website. So once you're in the dashboard, here are some of the top performing offers if you want to check. But what I'm going to be showing you today is how you can use this website to make a lot of money in a kind of different way. So what you have to do is you go to Offer Tools, you click My Offers, and by default it knows that I'm in the United States. So it shows United States for me, which most of the offers here are not bad. As you guys can see here, the highest paying offer is paying $2.05, which is not bad. If you have a high volume of traffic, you can make a lot of money doing this. But if you wanted to make $2,000 using this method, here, using these offers here, you're going to be having to drive traffic from 1,000 people to get $2,000, which I know not many of you are going to be doing unless you're doing one of the other methods that I've taught in the past, which is using YouTube Shorts and that kind of stuff. But what if you could make more money than $2 an offer? Right? So one thing that I know not many people know about is you need to use top paying countries that have high value offers. So what do I mean by this? I'm going to show you right now. What you want to change here to some country like, I don't know, France or maybe Italy or maybe Spain. As you guys can see here in France, they have this payout, which is $23, right? Which is a lot higher than the $2 that we just saw from the United States. And the reason they have this is because not many people are using these countries to make money. So they want to pay more money to incentivize people to start using their website in these countries. There's a lot of people using it in the United States, but there's not so many people using it in France. Right? So they want to incentivize you to start using this in France as well, right? So let's try Spain. Let's see what Spain's got. In Spain, they're paying a little bit less. Oh, they're actually paying more, $28, right? So they're paying $28 for you to fulfill their orders in Spain. Let's see Italy, which I'm actually Italian, if you guys don't know. Okay, so in Italy, they have a highest paying offer of $17. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be focusing on Spain, right? Now, when you look at this website, Spain might not be paying the highest bid, right? So you want to look over the highest paying countries. You could check Sweden, you could check Portugal, you could check, I don't know, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, Egypt, Mexico. You could look over these countries and see what people are promoting and how much they're paying. In this case, today, they're paying the highest in Spain, at least from what I can see here. So I'm going to choose an offer here in Spain. And the reason why they're paying so much is because people don't speak Spanish and they don't promote things in Spanish because they don't speak other languages. And for that reason, most people only want to promote the English offers. And this is where the opportunity for you lies. So what you want to do to get your affiliate link is you're going to click this offer here. Let's say you click the first offer. In this case, they're asking you to enter your telephone number for a chance to win. So they're asking you to enter your phone number for a chance to win their offer here. And for every person that does this, you're going to be earning $28.76. So now what you want to do to get your affiliate link is you want to choose a domain for the tracking domains. You could just choose, I don't know, Moral Files. Let's choose this one. And this is going to be your affiliate link. So whenever someone makes a purchase, in this case, it's not a purchase. Whenever they submit their phone numbers for a chance to win this offer here, you're going to be getting the dollar amount here. And this is your affiliate link that you're going to be using to promote that offer. Okay, so now that you have your affiliate link, what you want to do is you want to copy it, write it down somewhere so you don't lose it. And when they do, you're going to get the money. So in this website that I'm going to show you right now, it's going to be guaranteed that you're going to be getting at least 1,000 visitors to your offer. So not all of them are going to be completing your offer. So let's say 10% of those people complete your offer. So let's open the calculator here. 1,000 people minus 10%. That's 100 people. Let's say 100 people complete your offer, and that's 10% of those people. And 100 times 28, that's $2,800. So you're going to be making over $2,800. If at least 100 of those people that click your offer and putting their phone numbers to sign up for this free solar generator, right? And let's say only 10% of those 100 people did the offer minus 10%. You would be earning $280, which is if 10 people do your offer, you're going to be earning $280, which is still worth it for something that you took less than 10 minutes to set up. And obviously you can make this as many times as you want. So basically the amount of money that you're going to earn only depends on how many times you want to do it. So now what you want to do is you want to go to this website called trafficadbar.com. And in this website, what you want to do is you want to copy your link from Bitly. Go ahead, copy that link, and you want to paste it here. So this is your affiliate link with the name of your offer, which is a solar generator, right? So what you want to do is add it here and click Add Website. So in here, this is where the Google Translate comes into play. What we want to do is we want to go back to Google Translate. I actually want to go back to CPA Grip, and you want to see what they're advertising here on their ad, right? In this case, they're showing you can win now, Jackery. I think that's how you say it's solar generator 1000. So you want to type this in Google Translate. You can win now, Jackery solar generator 1000. Okay, so now we're going to be doing it to Spanish, from English to Spanish, and okay. Now we have this Spanish writing. You want to take this, put it in your title. Okay, so it only lets you do like a small amount here first, so let's copy it in parts. Now this is going to be your ad, and this is what it's going to be looking like. So what is the language of your ad and website? You want to put this in Spanish, and because we're doing our ad in Spanish. So when you want to input Spanish here and in here in the country that you want to be advertising in, you want to type Spain. Okay, so they're giving you 1 extra credit, okay? So what do you want to do now is you want to come back here and you want to save this, and it's going to post your ad into the network, okay? And after you've done that, you want to click save, and it's going to be saving your ad into the network. And every time someone performs that action that you told them to do, which in this case is input their phone number. I think I can't remember. Let me see. Yep. If they input their phone number, you're going to be earning $28.76. And remember that website is promising to give people 1,000 visitors. Every 1% of those people, 10 people that do it, you're going to be earning $280, which is still worth it. And if you want to get more traffic to that offer, you can click here and go to my next video, where I show you how you can use YouTube Shorts to get millions of views to your videos. So if you want to see that, just click here and you'll be redirected to my next video. I'll see you there. Work hard, play harder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content.